Meanwhile, trouble for the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is not limited to the partygate scandal. The United Kingdom has also hit the highest inflation levels in the last 3 decades, adding pressure to the cost of living and also to the Bank of England to keep raising rates. Now, the consumer price index is edged up, believe it or not, up to 5.5% in the month of January from 5.4% in December. The prices have surged globally over the past year, largely owing to the soaring energy prices. The consumers are also facing higher food costs as economies have begun to reopen. With prices shooting up, Rishi Sunak had earlier this month unveiled a support package worth almost about $12.2 billion, targeted at about 28 million poor and middle-income households in Britain. Last week, hundreds of people protested in London and other British cities, asking the government to take action to tackle the sharply rising cost of living, and some even demanded for the resignation of the scandal-hit Boris Johnson's government. Now, the Bank of England earlier this month had lifted its main interest rate for the second time in a row. Aimed at bringing down inflation, the Bank of England had forecast Britain's annual inflation rate to peak at about 7.25% in the month of April, which is way above the 2% target that had been earlier decided. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.